Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, as we are continuing our CRUD application for employee data in CodeIgniter 4. So guys, till now we have completed our adding the employee, fetching the employee, editing and updating the employee, and now in this video we will be covering about deleting the employee. So when we click on this delete, that time this record should get deleted. Okay, so guys, let's get started to implement that. So let's move to our table, and here you can see our delete button which is shown over on this Google Chrome. And guys, let us update with that. So let's create a URL for it. So open PHP and close PHP, where inside this we are going to give a URL which will be base underscore URL function, and inside this we will call the path of it. So we are going to set a route. Let's give / delete with the ID. So ID you need to access. We'll get dot concatenate, and then we will call the route ID of it, employee ID. And now with this help of path, we will delete the record. So guys, let's create a route for it. So let's go over here and let's create a routes where I'm going to use get function. We'll just call this path and delete the data, where / into a parenthesis where number we are going to send, and then at the same controller we are going to pass that with the ID. Okay, let's pass with the ID and we'll go to delete function, delete method. So let's copy this and go to employee controller. I've created a delete method over there. So let's create one function, public function at delete, and inside this we are to delete the employee data. So employee data means like our model. So let us create one variable called employee is equal to where we are going to call our employee model. So this is my employee model. Done. So when you're calling this, you have to call at the top. You have to make sure you are using this. So this is my model over here, so which I have created for my table. Okay, so let's get back to our controller with the delete method, and over here let's copy this same variable and paste over here and call the delete function. Oops. DELETE, delete function. Okay, and inside this you're going to pass the ID, $ID. So what $ID you are sending over here? So this will carry the numbers, right, as per your route. So you are sending here the number, digits, I mean employee ID. So that employee ID will be passed with this in the delete method. So let's go over there and you can see that, and take that ID variable and delete the data. So once if you send over here, the ID of this table will be deleted, and once after deleting, let's get back and paste the same code. Let's tell over here return and redirect to same page called employees. So employee means this page only will be redirected, and then again you can tell this as employee deleted successfully. Let's save and refresh. Yeah guys, so let me just add one dummy detail and delete that. Let's add dummy where dummy@gmail.com, some phone number and some designation. Save. The record is saved. So let's click on this to delete. So let me just refresh. This message will go, and let's click on delete. So I'm going to click on delete button, where you can see that employee deleted successfully. Cool. So our data is deleted and come back to same page. So guys, this was the one method which we have used to delete the record. Okay, so guys, now let us use one delete method to delete the record. So like when you create a route, right, we have used the get. So instead of get, I want to use delete. So let me just copy and paste, and let me comment with this, and where I want to use delete method. Okay, so this delete function should be there to delete this record. So for in this case you need to use let's go to index and create a for that. Let me just minimize this sidebar and let's create a form. Let's comment this, create a form, and inside this where you're going to pass action is equal to, and method is equal to, you can see post, and one input tag that will be hidden, and this name is equal to where you are going to send underscore method value, which will be delete, delete. Okay, delete, simple. And now same URL you are going to copy, same base URL. Let's copy and paste into your form action. Done. And then one submit button. So let's create a button called delete, and the same class you are going to copy and paste that inside this delete button. So before that class you need to assign that submit. Let's give submit and save the data. So guys, it is commented where you can find. Let's save this, and now let us test with that. Okay, and check. So let's get back, refresh. Cool. Now let us click on this delete. So let me just click on delete on this fourth ID number 4. Click delete, where you can see that employee deleted and the ID number is 4 not there. Okay, so you can see in the database also it will not be there. So guys, this is how we use the delete method to delete the record. So guys, this was the second method. Just for knowledge purpose I have thought on this. So that's it in this video guys, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.